Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Nestled in the peaceful community of Chancery Hall is this impressive 6 bedroom, 7.5 bathroom split level home for sale. It sits on nearly half an acre of well fruited land, offering stunning city and mountain views. Spanning 4 levels, the home features a sunken living room, family room, office, gym, and a basement music room with its own bathroom. The master suite includes a walk in closet, while all the bedrooms have ensuite bathrooms. Designed for both comfort and style, the home boasts marble and ceramic flooring, a hardwood staircase, and spacious balconies that maximizes natural light and scenic views. Outdoors, enjoy a barbecue area, gazebo, fish pond, and dog kennels, along with a double car electronic garage for added convenience. A rare find in a sought after community. Schedule your private viewing today. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican, 115 million, US 728.9 thousand, Canadian 1,043,000, Euro 669.5 thousand, or 566.5 thousand pounds. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.